Hello everyone, I'm Aisha, and you are tuned in to the 645 episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today, we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry. So let's dive right in. Our first story today from the New Indian Express reports on a truly heartwarming and groundbreaking development that speaks to the very core of human hope. Bajaj General Insurance has introduced Fetal Flourish, a pioneering fetal health insurance offering poised to redefine the boundaries of protection. This isn't just another policy, it's a beacon of hope for expectant parents embarking on the profound journey of bringing new life into the world. In a move that is both compassionate and revolutionary, this plan offers an incredibly affordable premium of just Rs 1,025, making advanced security a reality for families from all walks of life. This remarkable initiative underscores a profound paradigm shift in the insurance industry, moving beyond traditional coverage to embrace the sanctity of life from its very earliest, most vulnerable stages. For too long, the period of pregnancy has been a gap in financial planning, filled with both joy and unspoken anxiety. Fetal Flourish directly addresses this, offering a safety net that covers critical medical interventions and provides invaluable peace of mind. It is a testament to how insurance can evolve into a force for good, actively supporting the dream of a healthy family and ensuring that the miracle of life is nurtured by robust financial security from the very first heartbeat. Moving on to our next story, from Live Hindustan, shines a light on the tangible, life-changing impact of the Prime Minister's crop insurance scheme in the fertile yet unpredictable plains of eastern Uttar Pradesh. For the hardworking farmers of this region, whose lives are intimately tied to the whims of the monsoon and the soil, this scheme has transcended from a government program to a vital, indispensable lifeline. It stands as a powerful shield against the devastating financial blows of droughts, floods, and pestilence that have long plagued agriculture. The true success of this scheme lies not just in its ability to compensate for losses, but in its power to empower. By providing a foundation of financial stability, it liberates farmers from the paralyzing fear of crop failure. This newfound security enables them to invest in better quality seeds, modern farming equipment, and innovative agricultural techniques, confidently sowing the seeds for a more prosperous future. It's a powerful, real-world example of how well-designed insurance can foster resilience, drive grassroots economic growth, and ultimately strengthen the nation's food security by securing the livelihoods of those who feed us all. Our next story, from Amar Ujala, highlights that the Central Government Health Scheme, or CGHS. The Finance Ministry has launched the Paripurna Mediclaim Ayush Bima, a comprehensive health insurance plan that feels less like a policy and more like a personalized wellness commitment. Designed with a deep understanding of the needs of government employees and their families, this policy is a masterclass in flexibility and choice. It offers substantial coverage options of Rs 10 lakh or Rs 20 lakh. And, significantly, it adopts a holistic approach by including coverage for Ayush systems, catering to traditional medical preferences, and promoting overall well-being. The innovation doesn't stop there. The plan introduces a unique co-payment option, fostering a partnership in health between the beneficiary and the government. By choosing to share a portion of the premium in 70:30 or 50:50 ratios, beneficiaries can enjoy substantial discounts of 28% and 42% respectively, making quality healthcare even more affordable. The plan further rewards healthy habits with a cumulative bonus for every claim-free year. Complementing this is the launch of a composite salary account package, a brilliant initiative that seamlessly integrates banking and insurance benefits. This creates a complete synergistic ecosystem of financial wellness for central government employees, simplifying their lives and empowering them with a unified platform for all their fiscal and health security needs. Our final story today from Outlook Money highlights a seismic shift in the term insurance landscape. For years, purchasing term insurance was a daunting process, mired in complexity, paperwork, and the persistent shadow of agent mis-selling. Today, that paradigm is being completely dismantled by the forces of digital and online distribution. This is not just a minor change, it is a full-blown revolution that is placing power directly back into the hands of the consumer, fundamentally challenging the traditional, opaque systems of the past. This digital transformation is making term insurance more accessible, affordable, and transparent than ever before. By cutting out the traditional middleman, online platforms can offer significantly lower premiums, making this essential life protection a reality for a broader, younger, and more tech-savvy audience. Customers can now effortlessly compare policies, understand terms in plain language, and complete paperless applications in minutes thanks to AI-driven underwriting and personalized offerings. This evolution is paving the way for a future where securing your family's financial future is as simple, transparent, and trustworthy as any other online transaction. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these in-depth updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast, Here and Now, will continue to bring you more such stories from the world of insurance. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great weekend.